guys, welcome back. It's Kida. Today we're taking you to the highest volcano in Auckland, sitting at 196 meters tall with a crater 50 meters deep. So we're gonna climb up all the way to the summit and check out this amazing panoramic view of Auckland City. Sleepy? There's a big yawn. Look, that's the view from Hidden Summit. You can tell that's a big volcano crater. There's the bottom of the crater.
No, there's an elevator down there that you can only see once you're down there.
There's a viewing platform.
Yeah, if I go.
It goes boom! That's a big volcano! Boom! Big volcano. Let's go for a walk. Walk around there. Rangi Toto, Sky Tower. Check this out. Wow. Can't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. High five. Give mommy a high five. High five. Good girl. You feel like you're at the summit? High five. What are you on about? You tell mommy. Do you want to go to Europe? That's a thinking pose. She heard ice cream and she just suddenly woke up. She's falling asleep. Oh no, Papa. Hang in there, okay? We're going home now. She's so cute. You got ice cream? She goes, huh? Yeah? Where? That's so funny. Look, they're not supposed to park there. That's not a parking spot. But he couldn't find one, so he was like, okay, well, we're just gonna park there for 5 minutes. So he started parking here, and look at a row of cars now. I hope they don't find the whole row of cars. What do we do? Do we go? You want ice cream?
She's like drunk. She's drunk.
Do you want ice cream, Papa? Ice cream? Alright, we hope you've enjoyed today's trip. So where in the world is your favorite summit? Let us know in the comments box below. Oh, by the way, did you know Lunar New Year is coming up? Kyra is so excited about her first ever year of the dog. What's your background? You're celebrating Chinese New Year? Why are you so excited? Oh, these food. This is Lucky Bamboo. Oh. Go get some dumplings. Oh, yummy. Oh, these are my favorite.
Okay, have fun.
Oh. Got new toy. New toy. Chewing on the straw.
I know. You see it's happy?
That is so cute. Hey.
There's some people in there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. We can't wait to see you all next week. So in the meantime, dream big and travel more.